Welcome back everyone, this side Chavi, and this is a revision video of chapter 6 Judiciary from the book Indian Constitution at Work. In this we will discuss about the cartoons and pictures given in your book. The first one is given on page number 125 of your NCERT book. In this picture it is written, "No fisticuffs please, this is rule of law." Students, fisticuffs means fighting, and rule of law, as you know, means that every citizen of the country is equal in the eyes of law. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, gender, social or economic status. So according to this cartoon, everybody is required to follow a set of laws, be it people, government official or the elected representative of people, whom, or you can say who forms the government. In fact, it is the basic foundation of a democratic system and all the basis of all types of equality. So the next cartoon is given on page number 135. Now it is written in the cartoon, "Do you know that in recent times the judiciary has ruled that Bandh and Hartal are illegal?" So the questions can be asked from this cartoon is that what is the cartoon all about? What message is being conveyed through the cartoon? So you should know that the cartoon conveys that the judiciary has ruled that Bandhs and Hartals are illegal. Now the another question can be asked from this cartoon is that what are the instruments of judicial activism? So the answer is public interest litigation or social action litigation, to file complaints of those who cannot reach the court and initiated by others for their grievances. The third one is given on page number 144. In this it is written, "At least this gentleman seems to be happy with the judiciary." As you know, sometimes the function of judiciary is not satisfactory and common man is not happy with it. But over here, if it is showing whether it's a common man or a politician, if the person is happy, it means that the person is happy with the decision made by the court. Now lastly, this picture is given on page number 145. From this picture, several questions can be asked. The first one is that in this picture, which news belongs to judiciary? Then you can write, as you can see over here, one news is related with Rajya Sabha, in which the Supreme Court to hear petition by month end, and the next one is Supreme Court indicts governor. So both the news are a part of judiciary. The another question can be asked, that is the interference of judiciary right? Then you can write, independent judiciary is needed to settle disputes between individuals, between groups and between individuals or groups and government. Even you can write that it is necessary to protect the rule of law and ensure supremacy of law. Even you know, judiciary safeguards the rights of the individuals and ensures that democracy works properly. So this is all in the revision part. Have a nice day. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching this video.